Today we're set up here at the Eastern States Exposition Center for the Amherst Railroad Society. Our model railroad club is the Mohegan Pequot Model Railroad, and we've set up here for the last 20 years at various points. We started in the Better Living Center, and we moved here to the Young Building, and we're now considered the anchor club layout for the Young Building over here. We have 3 layouts here today. One is an HO scale layout, which I'm standing behind. Another is the G scale layout to our right, and another is the O scale layout immediately to our right. So we have 3 layouts that we're attending today. This particular layout is 70 feet by 40 feet long. That's the dimensions. It's about the size we've been presenting at this show for the last 10 years. At this point, we think we're about as large as we want to get because we're getting a little older and the members really can't lift too much more equipment at this point. It does take a while to set up, although we can do it in a day. We transport all of our modules in trailers and in personal cars, and most of the time many of the modules stay in our trailers until the next year's show. So right now we probably have about 50 club members, of which 35 of them are HO scale members, and that's the largest scale for our club by far. And we probably have an average age of about 62 years old for the members. It's getting older all the time because we're having trouble finding new members. We think it's important for the younger generation to be more interested in the hobbies like this because it's a hands-on experience. It allows you to have creativity, and we think that it would be great if we could get more and more members of a younger generation. Unfortunately, that's not happening at a fast enough rate. What we're trying to do to get the youth more interested is to perhaps have more work sessions where we have hands-on, one-on-one contact with the youth. We're having a little difficulty getting that process and procedure going, but we're trying. I think we've got a little ways to go before we're successful enough to cause the club to sustain itself.
I go to different shows with these modules that I have here, and I belong to the Great Northern Historical Society. So actually everything here on this layout was modeled after the Jackson Street Yard in St. Paul, Minnesota. So I have a lot of fun running trains, yard switching, and this module here I've had about 18 years now in the shows. And the new section, which is another 8 feet, I built last year as a back shop, car repair shop, welding shop. So I have more room to run my trains in and out of the yard. I have a Challenger, the Great Northern Challenger. They only had 2, this right here, and this is a Mallet. And this was a custom build I built. It's a streamliner, Burlington route. Yep. This was a scratch build. A Y1 electric, Great Northern. Then I have a W1 electric that I modeled. And then scratch built these buildings. Some of them are two sets together. This is a Geo plaster kit, weathered it, painted it, had to cut out the windows, put some lights in it. So one show I might be showing New Haven stuff, and another show like this show here, I got all my Great Northern stuff.